Guys, good morning. And guys, um, pretty special week this week for sure. Real quick, yesterday before I actually start the stream, guys, yesterday, I know I got off live on YouTube. Without taking a trade, I was pretty much break even. I stayed cash and everything. But guys, yesterday I ended up catching one of the biggest trades of my career, guys. I ended up making $26,000 on this trade, guys. Check this out, man. Yesterday was literally crazy. We ended up catching a 75-point trade 1 hour before the market closed, as you guys see over here. All right, guys. So I just want to get on stream and kind of just say that because it is something huge. All right, guys. But anyways, let's get the stream started, man. Let's get the stream started. But yeah, anyways, so yeah, coming to market open, we do have a pretty interesting open due to Nvidia earnings. So we're gonna see how this goes for sure. We're gonna see if it's interesting and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get this started. Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? I'm tired. Bro, guys, I was on the charts yesterday from 9 in the morning all the way to like 11 at night, bro. If we finish the day early today, guys, I'm going to get fully off Discord, bro. I am so exhausted from this, guys. Oh, man. I had so much stuff. I was doing so much stuff yesterday. But anyways, what's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys are having a beautiful morning. Obviously, the markets are going literally crazy right now. So hopefully we can get a quick trade going. All right, guys. Hopefully we can get a quick trade going. We have a lot of stuff to go ahead and read, a lot of stuff to go ahead and work with. We're talking the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute. There is just so much stuff going on right now. All right, guys. So yeah, let's see what we can work with. All right. Now, coming to market open, obviously I'm going to be working with more of a bearish bias for now. Although we are pumping up, you might be wondering. I'll explain why in just a second. All right, so let me get this written out real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Just in case the market does play out. I just want to be ready for this. All right, so I'll do this, then I'll do this, and then I'll do this as well. Okay, so guys, coming into market open, I'm pretty interested in both the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. More on the 5 minute, I would say, but if this 5 minute gap does not hold, which you still have 2 minutes left into it, but with price being so volatile due to Nvidia earnings, I mean, we are pumping and dumping 150 points per candle, 50 to 100 points. Right now, I get it, right? Coming to market open, we seem extremely bullish. We did nothing but rip up. All right, but understand, guys, same thing like yesterday, we go up for a reason, right? We went ahead and took out some levels of liquidity on the 15-minute time frame. Those levels are the only level being 7 to 8. We do have some extra levels above, so we'll see how this holds. But coming to market open, my bias is kind of sitting a little bit more towards bearish for sure, I would say. And then we do have some fair value gaps to go ahead and hold up. We did end up inversing the gap that I wanted to see yesterday, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We inversed this at like 3 in the morning and I was knocked out. So obviously I was not gonna be in the middle of a trade. I am good off that. You know what I mean? I'd rather just wait for the next trade. But yeah, coming to market open, we definitely have something a little bit more interesting for sure. So we'll see what we can work with. All right, guys. Let me go ahead and put out that I'm live on YouTube real quick before I miss out on anything really quick. So yeah, what's good, YouTube? What's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm going to put out that I'm live. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can work with for sure. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure we are inside of a 1 minute gap. Yeah, we are actually kind of bouncing off this 1 minute gap. I'm not looking to take anything in terms of looking for a long position for now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not really as interested in taking longs right now. I know it might seem a little bit crazy. Like I said, I get it. The market is pumping up right now, but I'm not gonna rush it. We're not even 10 minutes into market open, so we don't really know what the actual bias and momentum and trend is in the market yet. Well, we know what the trend is. Obviously, it's kind of like a pretty bullish trend, but we want to see what the bias wants to be now that we took out the objective to the upside. Are buyers going to continue stepping in and taking out liquidity above, or do we want to get a mini reversal off this inverse? What do we want to do? That's going to be the main question here. All right, guys. So like I said, I'm not going to rush anything just yet. I'm going to give the market some time to actually go ahead and decide what we want to do. And then going forward, we'll just go ahead and, those things. Now, today, I'm not going to lie to you guys. What's it called? I'm going to be sizing a little bit lighter for myself for the rest of this week. I'm sure you guys saw what happened yesterday. A pretty nice pretty nice day to remember. We needed that day for, it's been a while. It's been a while since we had such a good and quick trade like that. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, today, right now, literally right now, as you speak, ES. Another thing to add onto our bearish bias is that ES is currently at all time highs, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure we tapped into the level. If not, we missed it by like a tick. Yeah, no, we missed it. But guys, we are currently sitting at all time highs. So if we do pump up a little bit, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it might be to take out this 508 level to then reject back down. I get it. NQ is having a crazy open because obviously Nvidia is a big part of NQ due to the tech sector. But ES is not really reacting as much as NQ. I mean, ES is in fact not reacting at all. I mean, sure, it had a crazy open and everything, but it wasn't anything like, like something that's like wow, you know what I mean? It was like a whatever open. So yeah. But yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm gonna be sizing a little bit lighter for the rest of this week. By the rest of this week, I mean today and tomorrow. Because obviously you guys saw what happened yesterday. I don't want to be risking anything for the rest of this week. I feel like I'm really happy with the profits. I'm surprised that I'm even still trading for these last 2 days, but I'll be on, just in case, the market does provide something else. But yeah, for the rest of this week, I'll just be sizing light for myself. So I won't be making as much profit, but it'll be something. All right, guys, just because of what happened yesterday, we are super, super green. In fact, more than enough of green that we've had for the week. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can get for today for sure. All right. But yeah, right now it kind of seems like sellers are trying to take control here. So obviously, my bias is it has been bearish, but you guys know now exactly why it's looking pretty bearish. ES is rejecting off this London high and also pretty much off all-time highs. Although we never took it out, I would have kind of wanted that we could have taken it at this level, but I guess not. So yeah, I guess now it's kind of just waited out to see what the bias really wants to be because obviously I get it. Like I said, we have a lot of volume, we have a lot of everything right now, but we don't want to be getting into the wrong move so early into the market. All right, let's kind of wait it out. Let's give the market a few minutes, maybe like 10, 15 more minutes to really decide what it wants to do, whether it wants to hold above the levels of liquidity, whether it wants to reject. Depending on what it wants to do, we just work off any gap into it. All right, now, you guys might be wondering, okay, well, right now we are pumping up, right? And the only fair value gap that we have to work with to the upside is all the way down here. And if we hold above this level of liquidity and our bias is bullish, how are we going to trade into 770, 783, and 804? I would say in this case, our best case or our best answer to this, if we want to be bullish for today, which I don't really want to be, but if I have to be, I will. Is if we don't form anything on the 5-minute time frame, we can, since the market is so volatile right now due to all the Nvidia stuff going around, we can always work with something off the 1-minute time frame. I'm sure we can create some sort of a fair value gap somewhere around here, and then we can also work off that. But that's only if we remain bullish for today. All right, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. For me right now, obviously, I've been telling you guys literally all morning, and by all morning, I mean it lasts like 13 minutes. That I want to be bearish. I do like what I see to the downside. Obviously, we have a DO sweep on NQ. We have a DO sweep on ES. ES seems to want lower. NQ seems to be getting a little bit weaker by the second. So if we can get weak enough, we can definitely look to take some shorts off of this inverse off either the 5-minute, the 1-minute, or whatever you want to do. I'm gonna do it off the 5-minute for myself. But yeah, we could look to take shorts into pretty much the London low. I was gonna say we could look to take it into actually no, we can look to take it into here mainly because this will be the New York Open. So yeah, it's pretty much like 30 points, pretty much. But yeah. All right. We are starting to get a little bit more selling coming in. We're trying to break some new candle lows here and everything. So we're gonna see how that goes. Right now what the game plan is kind of looking like would be somewhat more like this, I would say. Like we're for sure gonna use a 35-point stop loss today. No way we don't. And like I said, guys, once again, for the rest of this week, if you guys were able to catch a trade with me yesterday, and you guys were very, very green, I would say for the rest of this week, try to trade with a little bit less size. I'm gonna be doing 7 micros for myself for today and tomorrow. Just so I don't, worst comes to worst, I don't give much back to the market. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm just being a little bit cautious with my wins from this week, and I want to keep them. So yeah, because I'm looking to secure a payout very soon again. So yeah. AIPI is kind of recovering here. By the way, guys, both AIPI and BTCI actually. That's a pretty good thing to see. All right, let's see if we can break past this candle over here. So we can start working with that inverse. But yeah, we're in the middle of this Rally Cup already, guys. So yeah, we're getting a lot of selling coming in. So be ready for this, guys, for sure. So yeah, let's see if we can work with this inverse, of course. The only thing is, ES is right near that London low. So if ES takes out that London low, I'm sure we could probably take out this New York low as well. But obviously with ES being the stronger one today, you know what I mean, it could cause a little bit of issues for sure. Nah, but honestly, if we get this inverse with enough selling, I'm sure we can break past this London and seek a little bit lower. Maybe into this right here. That's even if we inverse it, of course. Hey Blas, are we on U or Z? We are on U. Your stream layout. Yeah, a lot of you guys are saying that you guys couldn't really see the chart with the whole P&L thing and the way I had it designed. So I just moved over to just a bigger chart. And then I'll just show the P&L at the end of the day, every single day. I feel like that'll be just be easier. 90% of Apex? For real? Good look. It is? No way. Let me check. Apex. Oh yeah, guys. Apex is 90% off. What the hell? Yeah, for 5 days. Sweet. Yeah, guys. I mean, wow. Okay. Um, I mean, okay, yeah, guys. Well, you guys already know the deal. If you guys want to stack up on some Apex account, it's 90% off right now. I didn't even know that. $80 activation fee? What? No way. Yeah, guys. If you want to stack up some 85, no, because typically it's like 120, 130, right? For that, why is it so cheap? Is it 140 or 85? It's 140, right? There's no way they do 85. There's literally no way. You paid 140 yesterday? No, but yesterday we didn't have the 90% off. It's $85 right now. What? Okay, cool. Yeah, guys. I mean, if you guys want to stack up on some Apex accounts with 90% off, obviously you guys know the deal. It's called Blasters. It's at the top of the screen. But damn, I did not know we had 90% off. Did they even market it? I think it just came out. I'm gonna put it here. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. They have been doing 90% off discounts a lot more recently. Which is pretty cool. But yeah. All right, let's focus back on this trade in the meantime, guys, because we're trying to sell off. So yeah, let's see. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Although this woman is not looking extremely stable. We've been sitting at this range for some time now. Hopefully, we can break below it to get some very nice selling into the downside. Yeah, guys, just be ready for the selling. It seems like buyers are losing their control here, so it's gonna get to the point where we just rip below this. We don't have any news today, right, guys? No, right? Let me check before we do anything. Forex Factory. Yeah, it's just pending home sales at 10. But with the Nvidia news, I don't even think it's gonna do anything. But yeah, guys, be ready, guys, because we're actually selling off a lot. All right, yeah. Be ready, guys. Be ready. I'm gonna be looking for a nice clean break below 651, so I can look to enter. We also created a 5-minute gap here, so we might even get a retracement. All right, guys, I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. We're selling off a lot. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. I'm in these shorts, guys. Oh my. Guys, PT1 already got hit. What the fuck? Guys, PT1 already got hit, man. I'm going to take skills out. I took skills, guys. I took skills. Oh my. That was... What the hell, guys? PT1 already hit. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god, guys. I took more skills out here, guys. I took more skills out. What the hell? Yo. Oh, that was the fastest 45-point trade ever, bro. What the hell? Guys, I took most skills out, man. I skilled... How many contracts? I did 5 out of 7. Guys, what the hell, bro? That was quick, bro. Guys, if you haven't skilled already, man, go and make sure you skill now. What the fuck? That was crazy, man. Wow. Beautiful. How are you guys doing on that, man? That was a quick one. That was a really, really quick one. I'm gonna take one more off here, guys. I took one more off. There we go. We're about to see PT2 right there, baby. Oh my. Jeez. Guys, this is by far one of the fastest trades this entire month, bro. That size light today. I mean, the rules are rules. You know what I mean? Rules are rules. But RPA, guys, I took another skill. If you guys want to start doing break even, you definitely can. Guys, that was the craziest trade. Oh my. How you guys doing on that, guys? Out for 6.4? Dude, I'm currently up 4K on all accounts. Super clean. Like, if you're a minute, dude, if you're even 10 seconds late on that, bro, just barely passed. Nah, bro, you need a little bit more, bro. Yo, how are you guys? If you guys are green, before you guys get off, guys, please do me the favor and post in those profit in the profit channel, guys. Go spam that profit channel, man. This trade was too crazy to ignore, man. Fully out 420. I'm currently up 415. Here, let me show my PNL real quick. I think it's this overlay. I don't think it will load. That's whatever. I'll just send the screenshot. You have to use the touchpad. Bro, hopefully you got it, man. Hopefully you got it at least. Question for you, David. Can I make as much as I want on Apex just to build a buffer and not worry about the 8 days? Yeah, you can worry about the 8 days like later on in the future. If you guys want to make like 10K per account, then yeah, you could do it. It's just obviously you're not gonna get the payout off the rip. You just gotta work on building it up again. But you don't have to worry about blowing your account. Can we get a trade like this every single day? All right, no. Question, David. I got a question. I sent my TP to 128 ticks, which is 32 points. But when I tried Tradevate, it says that the trade was only 29 points. Remember, the market is extremely volatile right now. So you probably just got a little bit of slippage. Just because the market is moving so fast, it probably triggered your order fill. But since the market was moving so fast, I guess the order got a little bit delayed and it filled you a little bit higher. You get what I'm saying? If that makes sense. Wait, am I allowed to make over 750 on a 50K? Well, yeah, like thought you guys knew this. You can make over 750. You can make whatever you guys want on a PA, but you just can't request that payout until you average out that 30%, if that makes sense. So if you guys don't want to worry about blowing up your account, you can make whatever you want. It's not a big deal. But if you guys try requesting the payout, they're probably gonna say no because they're gonna be like, yeah, hey, you gotta fix this 30% rule before you actually request. Does it shoot lower? I don't know. I mean, it's very hard to tell with this volume, bro. I would hope so. I mean, we have that London low that we want to go ahead and take out. But wow, guys, we literally sniped that, man. Wow, bro. Am I still in? Yeah, I am. I am. Hold on, let me see if I can change the overlay real quick, guys. I'm gonna stop the screenshot for 2 seconds. Hold up. Wait. I don't know which one it is. Is it this one? No. Guys, I only have my, oh wait, I think I found it. I think it's this overlay. Overlay 3. Yeah, I found it, guys. I found it. Okay. Here you go, guys. Okay, there it is. There it is, guys. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Guys, please do me the favor and spam that profit channel, guys. Spam the profit channel. All right, guys. If you guys can, if you guys are green on this trade, man. Hold on. Yeah, guys. I mean, dude, today is a pretty much all in all amazing. Not only do we have 90% off, but $85 activation fees. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. I'm gonna find a way to stack up for myself, bro. That's way too cheap, guys. The active, okay, I get it. Sometimes we do 90% off on Apex and all that stuff, but the activation fees kind of like eat up most of the discount, right? Because it's $140, but $85 activation fee is nuts. You guys don't understand how cheap that is. You can literally get a whole eval and funded account for possibly less than what, $100 maybe, or around the $100. Dude, that is cheap. Was tapped out 85 where for Apex. Apparently, I don't know. By the way, guys, London got hit here. I'm gonna take full profits for myself, dude. I am so fucking green on this week, on the week. Oh my, guys, I am so green on the week. You guys do not understand. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I don't even know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. It's just too much, man. I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow, guys. This is fucking crazy. Both yesterday and today have literally changed the whole outcome of this entire month. Oh my god. Bro, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I do not know if I even want to trade tomorrow, bro. Like, we are set for the whole month, bro. Market is cooperating. Well, keep in mind, it was NVIDIA earnings, right? Does that include past evals before 80? I don't know. I think so, maybe. I don't know. I don't know how the system registers it. But guys, oh my. Oh, that's right, guys. Before you get off, guys, Monday is Labor Day. The markets aren't open on Monday. The markets are not open Monday. That's right. I completely forgot. After I pass the eval, it's apparently it's $85. I could be wrong. I have to double check. But word's going on that apparently Apex is 90% off, and it's an $85 activation fee. That's nice, chicken. Nice. I pray that September's PA is like this, bro. I'm literally gonna go to church and pray for that, bro. Lifetime activation is 85. Yes. It's 80% off. No, 90% off. Apex is currently 90% off. If you guys use code Blastoise, which is on top of the screen, it's 90% off. Is there a way to link top some Apex accounts? Yeah, use this website. Use that website. And so when is the discount on Apex? It's 5 days. 5 days. So it'll end. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It'll end on Tuesday. Yeah, it'll end like Tuesday at midnight. All right, guys. So you guys have some time to stack up on those accounts. Thank you. I got you guys. But yeah, man, today was fucking crazy, bro. And we're still dumb. I fully got out, guys. I'm happy with my profits, man. Wait, my laptop is fucking me up. I'm happy with my profits, but wow, guys. And bro, it's not even 10 yet. Bro, I'm going straight back to bed, bro. I don't know if you guys can hear it, bro. I'm so tired, bro. Oh man. That was the easiest trade, dude. Thank the Lord, bro. We needed this, bro. What do you think about longs? I'm not gonna lie, longs. Once again, I know I sounded crazy yesterday because I was bearish in a bullish market. I know I sounded a little bit crazy today off open when we literally ripped 100 points, but I was telling you guys I was bearish. And I know it might sound crazy right now, but I think we're due for another reversal. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, we took out a good portion of the lows, that being the New York low and the London low. If we hold below this London, maybe we take out this external. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It seems like sellers are slowing down as we take out more levels. So maybe the bottom is due soon. Now, would I take longs? I'm not gonna lie to you, no. Remember, guys, we took out both the upside liquidity and the downside liquidity, so both of our objectives for today have been met. So we're pretty much done. I mean, there's not much more to take because there's not much more to really target. All right, guys. So if you guys are done, man, get off. You know, what I mean, get off the markets. And by the way, YouTube, how are you guys doing? Let me check up on you guys, man. Blasters, let's fucking go. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. And ES took out the London. Yeah, ES took out all time highs and the London. Yeah, no, dude, we're done for today. The markets, they're probably gonna chop up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That sure was mad. Yeah, bro. By the way, guys, did anyone end up getting into AIPI? I'm not gonna lie, we kind of ripped, but we're kind of back at our thing. BTCI is also kind of recovering. For those that don't know, we kind of added like around where, like, I think we added like around here, maybe. I don't remember what we added, but we're trying to recover it, which is always a good sign. For the next dividends. And then JPQ, are we close to all time highs? Oof, yeah, we're like $2 away from all time highs. David, can I get that cash up or Apex is on discount? Oh, that's right. Yeah, I gotta get you and someone else a code. That's right. Yeah, guys. What's it called? Since it's September coming, since September is coming up, I have a since Apex, Apex reached out and everything, and we're all good. Guys, every month, remember, I give away 20 accounts. So now for the month of September, we can have another giveaway going over the weekend if you guys want to do it. Are you guys down? I can give away 20 more accounts. Are you guys on for another giveaway? Yeah, I got you, bro. I'll check it out soon. Yo, David, is the by the way, DM me again so I can come back up on my list. Um, yo, David, is 9% off discount? Is the lifetime PA 85 or 140? I don't know. I think it's 140. I mean, not 140. I mean, I think it's $85 apparently. A lot of you guys are saying it's $85. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna check for you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know. But yeah, are you guys down for another giveaway over the weekend? I'll give away 20 more Apex accounts to you guys. Um, the size of your choice. David, for the strat essay, I have to write for ChatGPT it. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. It's not like they really check it either way. The 25K is $50. I think they increased the prices. Yeah, they did. They did. Yeah, yeah. They increased the prices for every account 100K and up. 20 Alpha Futures giveaway. Bro, unfortunately, I have to reach out to Alpha Futures to see what we can work with, bro. But right now, I'm kind of I would say I'm affiliated with Apex. I mean, I guess we have contact. So in a way, yeah. It's definitely $85, bro. That's literally fire, bro. That's fire, guys. You don't understand how cheap 85 is for an activation fee. That's cheaper than um any prop from out there because Top Step is 150 and so on. It's $85 Apex now. Yes, it's 90% off for the evals. Obviously with my code if you guys want to use it in support. It's 90% off and $85 activation fees. So if you guys passed your evals yesterday and you haven't activated it yet, right now, if you guys go to activate it, it will be $85, which is crazy. Trying to find that on the website. Just look at their Discord. That's where they put it. Could this work again? Back to the downside. I'm not gonna lie, we already took out liquidity to the downside, so I would be careful. I'm not gonna say it wouldn't work, but I'm just gonna say the probabilities are probably not in your favor because we took out the objectives. All right. Why is Monday no trading again? It's Labor Day. The markets will be closed on Monday. All right, guys. Once again, the markets will be closed on Monday. All right. How long will this last for? 5 days and 14 hours. So it will end on Tuesday at midnight, if I'm not mistaken. David, I won a free giveaway for the 50K account a couple weeks ago. Is the fee also $85? Yeah, if you pass it right now and you haven't activated it, it should be $85. Yes. But yeah, guys, a lot of you guys are getting off, so I guess we can call the stream a little bit early today. I mean, we got the job done, so I guess we're good. You know what I mean? A lot of you guys are getting off, so there's no point for me to really stay on for too long. And by the way, if you guys couldn't tell, I am exhausted, so I'm gonna go back to sleep. Very, very happy. So yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be on tomorrow. If I am, I'm probably just gonna do commentary for the day because, guys, I don't think you guys understand how green I am this week. From the trade from yesterday and the trade from today. If I pass this next Wednesday, is it still $85? No, you need to pass it by Tuesday. You guys need to pass it by Tuesday before the discount ends. Remember, it's ending in five days and 14 hours. Yeah, it is $85 off. Yep, check it out, guys. Look at this right here. Someone just tried to activate it. 50 kPa, lifetime fee, $85. That is absurd, like literally insane. But yeah, y'all caught that trade too, came in to check. What's up, bro? What's going on, bro? If I sound a little bit like not happy, I am extremely happy. I promise you, bro. But I'm just very tired. Yeah, guys, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, guys. We got the jump done for today, man. A lot of you guys are getting off, so there's no point in me staying on. So yeah, I'm gonna go catch up on some sleep. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later on today. All right, guys. Take it easy, guys. In fact, I will not see you guys later on today, guys. Go enjoy the day, man. Get off the charts, bro. Get off the charts. All right, guys. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you guys if I go live tomorrow, which I'll think about, throughout the day. If I go live tomorrow, I'll let you guys know. All right, guys. But yeah, guys. God bless you guys. Take it easy. Enjoy the day. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys if anything later on today, if not tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Peace out. And YouTube, guys, hopefully you guys are able to enjoy the stream. If you guys want to be able to catch these trades live with us, guys, click the first link in the description. If you guys use code 60, which is code 60, it will give you guys 60% off any premium upgrade if you guys do want to join. All right, guys. So real quick before you guys get off the stream, if you guys are possibly interested, if you guys use this code right here, including so yeah, if you guys do want to join the premium, if you guys use code 60, it will apply 60% off any funded account. If you guys are, not funded account, I'm still using the same funded account. It will apply 60% off any premium upgrade. So if you guys are including lifetime, by the way, if you guys are interested in joining to get access to real-time alerts, real-time live trading, real-time education, real-time literally everything that you need for trading, guys, click that link over in the chat or click the first link in the description and use code 60 to go ahead and join the winning side. All right, guys. Remember, yesterday we ended up making over $26,000, and today we ended up making nearly $5,000 more with this winning trade. So if you guys want to check it out, once again, the trade from yesterday was NQ shorts right over here. It played out for 75 points. We ended up taking profit, 20 micros, $2,600 per account. You guys know I copy trade 10 accounts. If you multiply that, that is $26,000. And today we ended up catching NQ shorts for over 80 points, making us about $473 per account, which if you multiply that by times 10, it is 4,703. 700. Bro, I'm tripping, bro. I'm so $4,730 total. All right, guys. So yeah, we are sitting green as hell on the week, all done live as always. So yeah, if you guys are interested in joining the winning side, guys, click that link and use the code, which is code 60. So you guys can join the winning side. All right, guys. But other than that, man, I want to go ahead and get off, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow if I go live. Remember, the markets will not be open on Monday, so we do have a very, very nice long weekend ahead of us. All right, guys. So keep in mind to take full advantage of it. All right, guys. But other than that, man, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow if I go live. I'm really hoping to see you guys in the winning side, and make sure to use the 90% off discount code, which is code Blastoise on Apex, to get obviously 90% off and $85 activation fees. All right, guys. Other than that, man, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.